It all starts with one burning question. How far can a pocket-sized powerhouse really take you? In the relentless pursuit of tech, we get lost in the specs chase, cramming in extra megapixels, cranking up frame rates, fine-tuning stabilization until it borders on obsession. We pore over benchmarks and battle out in comment sections, sometimes losing sight of the spark that ignited action cams in the first place. These weren't gadgets meant to dominate spreadsheets. They were born to seize the wild pulse of life on the edge. Picture a mountain biker slicing through sun-baked trails, a wave rider slicing a golden horizon, or an explorer dangling from a sheer drop for that one heart-stopping frame. They're all about unleashing the unfiltered thrill, etching proof that you lived it, felt it, owned it. What's your wildest adventure captured on a tiny cam? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear and maybe even feature it. In 2025, DJI dusted off that original fire and fanned it into a blaze, not with mere refresh, but a bold reimagining of what an action camera can be. This isn't just a next iteration. It's a manifesto in motion. Meet the DJI Osmo Action 6, the boldest swing DJI has taken yet in this arena. Folks might dismiss it as compact, but to me, it's a seismic shift you can cup in one hand. To grasp why it stands apart, let's zero in on its core, the sense of that pulses at its center. DJI shattered expectations by slotting in a 1-inch CMOS powerhouse, a move that ripples through every frame you capture. Traditional action cams play it safe with pint-size sensors. They're simpler to chill, easier on the wallet, and featherlight for rigging up anywhere. But the trade-off hits hard in the visuals. Scale up, and suddenly light floods in like an open window at dawn. No more inky void swallowing details in the dark. No more bleached-out peaks stealing the drama. This beast pulls nuances from the shadows that past models could only dream of. Envision threading your bike through a city alive with flickering neon after a rain, every puddle mirroring the glow in crystalline trails. Or cresting a ridge at first light, where the sun's warm hues blend seamlessly into the lingering dusk, not clashing but dancing in harmony. For storytellers like us, it's a game changer. No more agonizing trade-offs between toss-in-your-bag ease and footage that demands a theater screen. Slip it into your jeans, scale that peak, and pull clips that whisper cinema, not compromise. It's less about stacking pixels higher, and more about infusing each one with the soul of the scene. Yet a stellar sensor alone can't carry the load. It craves the bandwidth to unleash its magic. Enter the Osmo Action SIXS video prowess. 8K at a silky 30 frames per second, handing you razor-edge resolution that invites endless tweaks in post. Crop tight, pivot the angle, dial in a digital zoom, and hold its edge like a pro. Crave that buttery flow? Drop to 5.3K at 60 frames per second for a sweet spot where sharpness meets seamlessness, the kind that elevates your edit from solid to standout. Dreaming of those ethereal slows? Fire up 4K at 120 frames per second, freezing droplets mid-splash or letting powder drift in lazy suspension. And for the adrenaline junkies chasing blurs, be it a downhill shred or a bird's eye dart, 1080p at 240 frames per second warps reality, letting you linger in a frenzy or unravel a frame by hypnotic frame. These aren't cold stats on a page. They're keys to your narrative vault, unlocking moods you craft in the quiet of your timeline. No more mode-swapping panic mid-action. Just pure, unbridled room to play, to pivot, to let inspiration lead. But even the crispest capture crumbles if the shake turns into soup, and here DJI flexes its veteran muscle like never before. RockSteady 4.0 rolls out, an AI-fueled evolution of horizon leveling that doesn't just patch the jitter. It anticipates the chaos. It scans your path, deciphers the rhythm of your rush, and smooths the storm before it strikes. Barreling down a route-laced trail, hurtling off a cliff edge, or jostling a desert rover, and your line stays arrow-true, the world tilting just right. It mimics a pro gimbal's grace minus the bulk, delivering footage that's poised, polished, unflappable. You pour your energy into pursuit, not to fix, because when the tech melts away, the raw tail surges forward. It's not mere steadying. It's the quiet enabler of epic, the unseen ally that hands you wings. DJI didn't rest on those laurels. They toss in a curveball that's pure genius in disguise. Seamless smartwatch integration. It might scan as a neat trick at first glance, but one tap from your wrist, and it's indispensable. Fire up recordings, flip through settings, glance at juice levels or timers, all without fumbling for the rig. Solo wanderers mapping uncharted paths, on-the-fly vloggers, or rig-bound riders find it transformative, a lifeline when hands are full or focus is fierce. And DJI's pushing boundaries further with live metrics woven right in. Pulse spikes syncing to your summit push, velocity traces etching your trail, elevation climbs marking the grind, GPS threads mapping the MAM, all embedded effortlessly. Replay that grueling ascent, and it's not flat footage. It's a pulse-racing relive, blending the sights with the sweat. They dub it data-infused narrative, but let's call it what it is. Footage that whispers the full truth, visuals laced with the visceral rush you chased. Of course, the sharpest eye and swiftest mind falter if the power flickers out mid-quest. So DJI poured smarts into endurance as their secret weapon. A beefier, brainier battery bumps runtime by about 30%, with whispers from initial runs suggesting it soldiers on for hours through blistering cold, scorching sun, or thin summit air. An adaptive power brain reads a room, or the ridge, rerouting juice to fend off dips, optimizing for frenzy or patience as needed. It anticipates your demands like an old trail partner. Space swells too, with up to 64 gigabytes baked in for those oops I forgot the card saves, paired with zippy Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 for offloads that don't drag. Yank clips to your phone in a blink, or puppeteer the camera remotely. That unassuming USB-C even pipes out for live feeds or external eyes, flipping this mini marvel into a field-ready studio sidekick for streams, talks, or on-site scouts. Beneath the spec simmers a deeper creed. DJI gets that numbers get swiped, but soul can't be cloned. The Osmo Action 6 isn't gunning to one-up rivals. It's crafted to fade into the background, the ultimate sidekick that bows out so your saga steals the spotlight. That expansive sensor? Not for flexing. It's for nights that glow with life. Those elevated frames? Tools to twist time your way. RockSteady's wizardry? Permission to plunge fearless. Wristbound commands? Quiet assurance in the thick of it. Extended juice? The line between nailing the now and nursing regrets. DJI's pivot isn't about outpacing the pack. It's about elevating the craft. Action cams lingered too long in limbo. Nimble but never grand, niche but not versatile. The Osmo Action 6 shatters that bind. Wee enough for any perch. Mighty enough to helm a whole tail. It folds pro polish into your pocket. No entourage required. Whether you're spinning YouTube gold, chronicling far-flung jaunts, or etching family lore for the big screen, this hands you the reins. Ditch the cumbersome kits. Arm yourself with wonder and a whisper plot. The rest unfolds like magic. It's the great leveler, flipping everyday souls into auteurs, raw romps into reels that resonate. That's the electric hum amid the hype. DJI is not tweaking. They're trailblazing, nudging the whole genre toward horizons unseen. Truth be told, it won't dethrone your mirrorless beast or hush a gale's roar or defy winter's bite forever. But chasing perfection in every pixel isn't the point. It's about bottling the moment's thrum with unflinching grace, streamlining the seas so the soul shines through. You'll still plug it in, shield it smartly, but the payoff? Clips that don't just sharpen up, they suck you back in vivid and vital, stirring the echo of your skin in the wind. Echoing that ethos, DJI's aesthetic keeps it grounded. Sleek lines without the fluff, no gimmicky swells or shatter-prone pains. Every inch intentional. Toggle snap, sure. The display punches through glare. Interfaces zip without stutter. It's gear you trust, not a shiny bauble. They pitch it as tomorrow's mobile muse. I see it as precision perfected. At its heart, though, narrative trumps nuts and bolts. Hardware is merely the messenger from your eyes to the ether. The Osmo Action 6 fortifies that link like iron. If the previews pan out, it'll reset the bar, welcoming not just shredders and sliders, but directors, diarists, kin capturing the candid. DJI is not tailing the herd. They're redrawing the map, alchemizing grit into grace, bridging bold ideas to easy reach. Cradle it, and you hold a distilled dream, that the littlest lens can frame the grandest sagas. It's testament that polish needn't eclipse the fire. In a field buzzing thicker than ever yet brimming with spark, each leap edges us toward tech that whispers instead of shouts, And DJI's stride here might just hush the spec squabble for good. Because when you hit play and chills chase the recall of that flawless take mirroring your mind's eye, the digits dissolve. The yarn endures. That's the Osmo Action 6, a whisper of wonder with thunderous intent, guarding your life's flicker in flawless fidelity. If this peek into its promise lit a spark, smash subscribe, spread the word, and ring that alert. You won't want to miss the next unbox. Your cheers fuel the real talk. In my book, this is an evolution. It's a heartbeat reborn, a nod that fresh ideas still pulse with purpose, that spark thrives in the sleekest shells, and that when tech nails it, it doesn't eclipse the wild, it cradles it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.